Welcome to our YouTube video on grinding. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what grinding is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Grinding is a machining process that uses an abrasive wheel as the cutting tool to remove small amounts of material from a workpiece and achieve a smooth surface finish or precise dimensions. Think of grinding like using sandpaper on wood. You gradually remove material to make the surface smoother and more accurate. So, why is grinding so beneficial? Because it allows for extremely high precision, tight tolerances, and excellent surface quality. It's widely used in manufacturing tools, automotive parts, and aerospace components. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.